Say hello, Jennifer.
Don't jump.
I didn't see that. Go it again.
No.
Hey, Abby.
Ooh.
Hello.
Hello. Corn bits. Okay, so you get 9 cups of corn bits. You get a half a cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Yeah, well, we're using milk chocolates because.
Yeah, Paula's got milk chocolate today.
Y'all just use what y'all got in your kitchen and they'll just turn out just right because you just need love. That's all you need is just love. If you put this on my
He's like a broke down Paula Deen.
Yeah.
Broke down Paula Deen.
When you need some curtains, you just get you some sheets.
You're gonna make me fart and stuff.
No, we don't want that. It's a family recipe. Okay.
I can speak well.
Butter. We got 9 cups of Chex. Right here. Half cup peanut butter. Now I like Jif. Okay.
Choosy moms.
Choosy moms. Choose Jif. Now I've tried Peter Pan and all that other kind of stuff, but after that recall, So anyway, 4th cup butter or margarine.
Oh my lord.
All right. I use Country Crock with calcium because when you get old, you need calcium for your body. How much?
Ooh.
4th cup. Well, that's a half cup. 3rd cup. 4th cup. Now it's gonna be that on me. But we got calcium, so it's all good. Alright, we microwave it on high. In 1 quart microwavable bowl, stir cookies. Just kidding, I made that up because there's cookies nowhere on here. Butter. Microwave uncovered on high. 1 minute. Stir. Stir. Microwave about 30 seconds until longer. Okay.
Okay, so she takes it to the microwave. Sorry, I was getting obby.
No, I didn't want you to get that anyway. I'm trying to be proud of my thickness, but. See, you need to be on top of the refrigerator recording that so you don't get my double chip.
What do you think Club Iniquity is? Club for couples?
Swingers? Swingers Club.
What time do they close?
You need a reminder, don't you?
I'll be home.
She forgets everything.
So we stir.
Remind me from Lady and the Tramp, the baby la ba 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 boo.
So this is love. So this is love. Now for y'all couples at home, this makes a nice tasty treat when you're alone with your spouse. Now remember to get towels. Because it can be kind of messy.
Ew. And it looks like
This is X-rated quality.
You're on a cooking show.
Oh man. Stir in. Okay, pour mixture over cereal, stirring until evenly coated. Pour into 2-gallon resealable food storage plastic bag. Add powdered sugar, seal bag. I'm gonna have to use. This is the biggest thing I have. I don't have. Oh no. Okay. I need to put vanilla, right?
Did you?
Stir in vanilla. Okay. It says 1
Tisp.
but we like vanilla. I like vanilla.
1
This is imitation vanilla, so it's not gonna be.
Hey, we ain't hating
Okay.
on your great value.
Alright.
What is that?
I love that song.
Have you ever heard it from Pocahontas? They're savages, savages.
Barely even human.
Savages, savages. Wonder if they ever bleed.
Oh God, how brutal is that song?
Pocahontas, that's what it's from. See, that's Pocahontas. That's Pocahontas, that's Pocahontas.
Pocahontas,
She
yeah.
says it good. It's a hard word. And that's just stripping down.
Yeah. Okay, you.
Not what I was intending.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Da-da-da.
Aren't your jokes like
Money, buddy.
And so you just drizzle this here chocolate onto them corn bits.
There we go.
It's better than mine. My singing is.
Well, let's see.
I'm
Oh,
embarrassed.
did you hear Little Mermaids coming to Broadway?
Is
I
it?
don't want mine.
Cockroach Steve.
Do your Still Magnolia impression. Jennifer,
What? Huh?
do your Still Magnolia impression.
Which one?
Anyone, just pick a part.
I can jog all the way to Texas and back, but my dog again! She just did! She never could!
Wow.
I just want to hit something hard! Hard so they can feel as bad as I do!
Okay, that's gonna be on Best Week Ever next week. I can see it already. Woman loses it while making Muddy Buddies.
It is like a brown football!
Oh my god. Wow. Oh, this is gonna be so shaky because I'm laughing.
Oh, you're still recording. Wonderful.
Is it going? I can't tell.